What's up, guys? Jasper is supposed to be making me wheeze in this whole entire video. I don't know. We don't know how long this is gonna be. You know, he's probably gonna say some funny stuff, but you guys won't be able to hear it. So I'll just repeat what he says after I'm probably done wheezing. It probably won't make me wheeze, so you probably won't just hear like that throughout the video. Hi. Good. Huh? Gate 3. Yeah. I went through 3 copies of this game. Yeah. What? What, Jasper? Like, just funny jokes. But I can leave a lot. Okay, I'm trying to take back the part where I repeat. Dude! Oh my goodness, bro. Okay, can I take back the part where I said I was gonna repeat everything you just said? Oh my goodness, bro. You should totally tell them to add me. Well, add me! My gamertag is septicye, it's right there. Yeah. But, I do have... Hold up. Let me get my friends list real quick. I do have 96 friends, so if you guys want to send me a friend list, I only have like 4 more, I only have like 4 spots available, so... It's called making a duck voice. Hey! Whoa! No way! Dude! No way! No way, bro! Yeah, I've had your thing pending for a while, but you know, it's about to happen. Dude, he just invites you to the game. Yeah, there's already a video. You should look up the video of the speed glitch tutorials. Speed glitch tutorials by Demon Jasper, bro. It's insane, dude. If you guys haven't checked that out, it's right before this video. I mean, legitly, it was like 10 minutes ago, not even. You guys should check it out. I wanted. Yeah, what? Fan reaction, yeah. But I am really happy I'm at X7 Swift. That is insane. Bro, hold up. Let me send you one. What's the outro? I don't know. Oh, okay. We gotta stand right next to each other like we did in the last video. Dude! Yeah. So, sub to...
I have more subs. I have more subs. I have more
Subscribe.
subs.
Subscribe.
I have more subs.
Dude, yeah, what? You don't have more subs, do you? I subscribed to you anyway.
I have 500.
No, I already subscribed, bro. I put notification notifications on. But subscribe to Z1 Jasper, like, comment, or turn on post notifications. So also subscribe to X7 Swift. Turn post notifications on like every single one of his videos, you know. Subscribe, comment down below.